What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. This is a car I bid on today. It's still, come on, keys out. One I bid on today on an if, I was high bidder at $4,300, and the guy wants $45. So I'm thinking about it at the moment. This is a 2006 BMW 530i with the inline 6, no turbos, and this thing is like new, man. It shows no wear and tear anywhere. And I mean, 131,000 on an 06, that's nothing. That is low miles. I mean, this thing is mint. Do y'all think it's worth 45? Let's take it for a little drive. Let's crank it up. And I bought something today too, so I gotta show you that. Oh, come on. No warning lights. Now, I drove it earlier today. Okay, it's gotten warm, so please give me the climate control. Oh, I see the heated seats. I didn't see those earlier today when I drove it. Alright. So, get out of here. I wanted to drive her one more time before I made my final decision. This has got me in the old school MMI. I don't think it has nav, which doesn't matter. But you do all your, radio and, vehicle settings and what have you in there. It's pretty cool, actually. But man, this thing is just in great shape. I mean, garaged condition. When I show you the outside and you see the paint, you're gonna be like, oops, say what? Uh-oh, seatbelt. Need a seatbelt. Uh-oh. Seatbelt. Alright, let's get her out here. See what we got. Whoa. Hello. Man, she runs good. Ooh, she runs good. Man, I mean, it's not the most powerful thing in the world, but it is. I mean, these 6-cylinder old BMWs, they are just so damn hard to beat. I mean, unbelievable. This is about 3/4 throttle. Oh, so nice. So nice. Shifts good. AC's cold. I mean, look, the cup holders, they're not broken. I mean, this is crazy. Now, when I put on my seatbelt, for some reason, the stupid B-pillar trim decided to fall down. So that's a little bit of a problem. But all it needs to be done is just cinch back up there. But let me just walk around this thing. Buttery smooth. Buttery. Navy blue. Not my favorite color, but it's in good shape. I mean, it's not torched. The sun hasn't just chewed it to pieces. I mean, you can tell this car was kept in a garage. I mean, you can just tell. I mean, got hardly any scratches on the bumper. We got nice Bridgestone tires all the way around. Got one little door ding right there. Oh, door's locked. I mean, it's just really mint. Headlights look good. Fog lights look like they could use a little wet sanding and a polish. But, let's see. How do you open these mothers? Look at that. That is just the best engine BMW ever made. Just their good old Inline, 3 liter. I mean, just, I have no idea what the horsepower is, but I'm sure it's like 220, 225. Plenty enough for this car. No funny smells. Don't smell any oil. Don't smell any coolant. I mean, it's just a straight up sweet car for its age. The wheels aren't chewed up. The driver seat's not, you know, it's got just a couple of little small little cracks there, but it really is in great shape for its age. I mean, look at that back seat. I know the sun's messing with us here. I mean, I like cars like this. I didn't pull a Carfax, so that is going to be the next step in this process, is get a Carfax. If I didn't, just break the B-pillar trim. Alright, so tell me what you think, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, drop your comment below. BMW 530i 2006, sweet little ride, only 131,000. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Peace.